I'm Gina Loves Christmas. Welcome back to the channel for Christmasing, Christmas or University, the Bow Edition. Everything you've seen me make with ribbon, it's with my 3 simple loops. I made a video on this. It was one of my first real videos, and I was so nervous because I felt like this was the most important thing I could ever teach you. I wasn't a professor then. Apparently I am now. So today is for single loops. We will cover doubles and triples another time. You're going to get up close and personal with my hands. They're a little scratched. We've been busy. Single loops, let's do it. Pinch, pleat, pucker, pop, personality. Those 5 P's, that's what you need to get a bow that has so much personality. We've taken perfectionism right out of the equation because nothing is ever perfect and it's never going to be. But if it has personality and if it's done with love, then it is pinch, pop, personality. A lot of things are different from when I made that first video. Mostly, I had an eyebrow transplant, so I have eyebrows now, but I also don't have as much hair in the back. You're gonna get to see the back of my head. If it doesn't look as cute as the back of my trees, we're still growing here. Let's go. I'm working with this tweed ribbon. This is a very easy first-timer ribbon to use. It is not back, but it is thick and it's got a lot of addy-addy. It is wired. Candy cane shape. I'm gonna show you my front of my hand. Front and the back. Candy cane shape. The ribbon's going to go together right next to each other. I've got a cute little loop. She's not perfect, she's got personality. And then I'm gonna pinch. And when I pinch, I'm going to marry the finger. Now only one hand's gonna hold it real tight. I'm gonna fix my bow a little bit. I've got some pinch, pleat, got some pucker. Here comes the pop. My finger is going under the bow. So now I've got the back of the bow between my 2 fingers. I'm still holding that real tight, like my life is depending on it, or yours. Popping out the front. This is a very important part because this gives the front of the single loop bow all of that dimension at the end. This part's important. Make sure you leave it a good size right there. We need it. Next is a hard half twist. Half twist, we're reintroducing the color back into the front. And then it's gonna be pinched again. I'm marrying the pinch. So whether it's a single, double, or triple, that's a single loop bow. And she's super cute. She's ready to party. Wire goes around 1 time. Pull tight, just as tight as your pinch. Pinch the wire. This part might hurt just a little, but it's worth it. And give the wire 2 to 3 twists. And that bow is ready for your tree, or your garland, or your ball gown. Always throw your ribbon on the ground. It's just unroll it, release it, let it go. Next, we're gonna work on the 4-inch. This is called random stripes. This is a lighter weight. It's like I don't wanna call it a velvet dupe, but even though it's covered in glitter, the glitter doesn't come off. Okay, a little tiny bit of it. Could have been worse. It's covered in glitter. It still has a lot of pliability to it. So it's a great ribbon, and it is backed, but it's backed with a very light lame. So it is not an intimidating ribbon for a 4-inch ribbon. I get a lot of questions about that. 4-inch, single loop, let's go. Candy cane shape. Fingers in the front, my fingers in the back. That's what they look like. Pinch, same way. Real good pinch. What am I getting? I'm getting pleats, I'm getting puckers, I'm getting some pop happening here on the front and the back. And then pop that tail out. So pretty. Oh, it's so good. We love that. We love that. Hard half twist. Bring the pattern back. When a half twist, I go up a little bit. It's not ideal for the filming part. Hard half twist, bring it back into play. And I just like to run my hand down her. Give her a little dance move. She can show me what she's gonna look like in my tree or my garland. Single loop, 4-inch. Who is the fairest ribbon of them all? It's Fairest Oak Velvet, obviously. This might also be the most intimidating 4-inch velvets. I get a lot of questions on this. This is a perfect single looper. It's perfect. If you're intimidated by it and don't think you can do more, you can. But if you don't think you can, still, velvet, there's nothing like it. There's just nothing like it. Candy cane shape. we're pinching. Muscles are working. I don't work out, but I still have a little bit of muscle here because I make bows. Pop her out. We have all the pinch, pleat, pucker. I mean, she's the prettiest one. She's the prettiest one. We have all the pinch, pleat, pucker. Fingers are going back through there. I'm really reinforcing what's happening right now. Hard half twist, reintroducing her. She basically looks like Santa Claus's suit. She's just stunning. Woo, we did it. As with all things in Christmasing, don't overthink it. And if you're overthinking it and it doesn't look good, stop thinking. Just don't. You think you're dead. I'll never stop saying it. I never will. When your eyes are closed, your senses are heightened. Bow making is about a sense. It's about a feeling in the hand. It has nothing to do with your eyes. And every time you do it, when you're feeling it, she's always popping. Always. I'm Gina Loves Christmas. Thank you for Christmasing with me today.